My name is Stephanie Twecki, and I'm the interim principal here at Mercury Mine Elementary School. We're here today to talk about our Desert Education Area cleanup event, and this is in celebration of Earth Day that's coming up, and we're excited to come out and clean up our beautiful area and spruce it up. We take pride in this day because we come together as a community. Our families, students, teachers, and staff all come out and we celebrate together this beautiful area and take pride in cleaning it and taking care of it and making it the best it can be for our students and families.
I'm excited about Earth Day because I like focusing on what's important about cleaning up our Earth. I like how when I walk through it, it clears my head and it really helps me focus when I'm out there.
Some of the different things that we have is some desert ruins, and then we also have a ramada where students can do activities with their teacher under some shade. We also have an amphitheater and a pollinator garden as well.
My favorite thing about the Desert Education Area is probably the house. I think it's really fun and it's really cool. I'm looking forward to most is just cleaning it up and making people want to go enjoy it.
Our Desert Education Area Cleanup Day is happening on Saturday, April 20th from 8 a.m. to noon. If they want to participate, they can come anytime from 8 to noon. It's kind of an open house style, so come anytime and spend as much time or as little time as you would like with your family. Bring any water, weeding tools that you might have, and just come out and enjoy the beautiful weather and help us make it look beautiful.